Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's get started. So today I am going to bring you 4 different DIYs that are so classy and so elegant. And I'm happy because I get to start with this very simple, beautiful mistletoe. I'm going to take a lamb's ear pick from Walmart and this other pick that I'm really not sure where I got, but I want to say I got at the store at home, and it was back in the summer, but I just thought it would look perfect as a contrast to that lighter green from the lamb's ear. And then I'm going to add a couple of these evergreen picks that I got on Amazon. As I mentioned earlier, I am going to keep them very simple. So I'm going to take this, it's like a burlap wired red ribbon from the Dollar General. I'm going to loop it and then I'm going to wrap it around and leave long strands so that it kind of just falls on each side of the mistletoe. I should have just left a strand, a long strand before I looped it and wrapped it around, and I didn't, but that's okay. I added a second strand later and hot glued it to the top.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe.
Now I am going to take these frosted berries from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to grab a small little branch from the pick and I'm going to hot glue it right in the center. And that is it, guys. Again, very simple, but what a beautiful mistletoe to place right on a doorway or anywhere where it would just look so, so beautiful. I cannot wait to put it up in my home.
Baby, with you. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay.
Hey guys, if you have not visited my new channel, Beauty on Purpose at Home, I hope you consider taking a look at it. I do have the link down in the description box. This is where I do a lot of the decorate with me, organize with me, shop with me kind of thing. So check it out after you're done watching this video. Alright guys, so moving along for this next DIY, I'm going to take this dollar spot from Target ring. It's a wreath ring maybe, but I'm sure you can use it for any other decor. But I'm going to keep it very simple. Again, here I am going to take 2 of these evergreen picks that I recently got on Amazon, and I am going to place them to the right side of the ring. I am then going to add a couple more of those smaller evergreen picks that I got on Amazon and add them to the bottom of the 2 larger ones. I am now going to take more of that same burlap wired ribbon from the Dollar General, and I am going to once again wrap it around to secure it in place.
Here comes the jolly season again with the sleigh bells and choirs singing. But I hear no church bells ringing out for me. This year I've been nothing but good. Santa Claus, I hope you to see and put some big fat golden stars in your book
I am now going to take this Dollar Tree ribbon and I am going to make a simple bow. It's going to be on the larger side because I want it to be kind of like the star of the wreath. And so I'm just going to again make the simple hot glue it to the bottom of the evergreen picks. I'm going to add a couple of these golden branches from the Dollar Tree. I just took a couple of the little branches from the larger pick and I'm going to hot glue them right in between the picks. And that's it, guys. Again, another very simple, but man, does it look classy and so elegant. I just love this look. I would also love for you to check out my Instagram page. I post there daily, the little behind the scenes and video clips. And if you have an Instagram account, check it out. It is also in the description box. All right, so moving along here for this next DIY, I am going to take more of those evergreen picks that I got on Amazon. This time I'm going to need 6 of them. I am going to place I'm going to make 3 little bunches. Let's put it that way. I'm going to place one pick facing one way and then the other pick facing the other way. These little, are they called bunny tails or cat tails? One or the other. I'm going to place 2 on each side of the picks. These were left over from my fall decorations, and I just thought it would add a very cute, a soft kind of contrast to the evergreen. So I placed 2 on each one. I did place more of that glittery golden picks from the Dollar Tree, and I placed 1 on each little bundle as well.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light.
And I also added 1 of each of those smaller evergreen picks as well. Now I am going to kind of bunch them up in the center and tie them up with some green jute twine. I am not hot gluing or anything. It's basically just going to be tightened. I am very much tightening here. I don't know if you can tell, but I am like trying my best to make sure it's very secure. And then I'm just going to hot glue it very little on the back just to secure the jute twine. The reason why I'm not hot gluing is 1, I didn't think it was necessary, and 2, I am using a lot of greenery. So once I'm done with the season, I can always break it apart and use it for maybe winter decor. So that's why I'm doing it this way. Right now that I have 3 bundles. I am going to crisscross them and make almost like a star with the branches. And I'm going to add very little hot glue in between each just so that they are very sturdy. But I'm going to take more of that green jute twine and then wrap it around, crisscrossing it to make sure it's very secure.
We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Lady, we meet under the mistletoe while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fire.
I am now going to add some of these red frosted berries. Again, very small amount of hot glue, and mainly going to be very close to the jute twine so that I'm not ruining any of my other greenery. But I just thought it needed a little bit of red touch in there, and so I thought I'd add these on each branch.
Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day.
I am now going to take this glittery gold ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to make a very simple kind of loopy bow with, it's going to have 3 strands, but it's going to have 6 loops. And again, they're going to be facing each, kind of each branch.
A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah.
And to finish it off, I'm just going to hot glue a pine cone right in the center and we'll be done. I can't wait for you guys to see the way this turned out. It is so stunning, so elegant. It will look great as a wreath on a door. It will look great above a fireplace. Just in so many ways. I just love, love, love this one.
Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to
All right, guys, on to the final DIY. I'm going to take this piece of scrap piece of wood, and it was already painted. I don't know where it came from, but I want to say it came from a home that we flipped several months ago. But it was already kind of white, but it was a little dingy, so I just gave it a very light coat of chalk paint, Rust-Oleum, and the linen white. I'm just going to dry it there. Now I'm going to add more of that glittery red ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to place it to the left side of the board, and I'm going to secure it in the back with hot glue. And then I'm going to add a burlap striped one. It's a little thinner right in the center and staple it in the back.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eyes.
Now I'm going to take 2 of those smaller evergreen picks, and I'm going to hot glue them facing down, and then I'm going to hot glue a pine cone right where the 2 picks meet.
I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow
All right, so now I'm going to take this stencil that I got at the Dollar Tree a couple of years ago, maybe it was last year, and I am going to stencil it right on the right side of the arrangement. But I'm going to do the seasons first, and then I'm going to move the stencil a little bit to the right, and then do the greetings. So that way it takes up a lot more of the space in the board.
wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the fire, I've been trying to
Once I am done stenciling the greetings portion of it, then we'll be all done. And I think this one turned out very cute. It has a very elegant but rustic kind of look to it. It's really, really charming. But I would love to know which one is your favorite. I would say my favorite is the mistletoe. There's something very simple and elegant about it that I really, really love. So this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you are visiting for the first time, I hope you consider subscribing and joining our YouTube family. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I always appreciate your time coming back day after day to watch my videos. I will have a playlist here with tons of Christmas inspiration. Check it out. Have a great day, guys. Be blessed. Have a Merry Christmas, and I'll see you later. Bye.